Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is relationship and what is master detail relationship in Salesforce. Relationship types. Relation are used to establish connection between two or more objects. Relationship is bidirectional association between two objects. Account to contact relationship is an example of a standard relationship in Salesforce. There are following relationship: master detail relationship, lookup relationship, junction object, hierarchical, external lookup. So in this session, we are going to see master detail relationship in depth. Master detail relationship is a strongly coupled relationship. It is one-to-many relationship. It can be created using master detail relationship data type. It can be created on custom objects. It can be created on those custom objects in which there are no records. It is a required field. This field stores 18-character record ID of the master record. Object on which master detail relationship field created called detail object or child object. Object to whose data master detail relationship field is referring called master object or parent object. When we create master detail relationship on a object, then this object will not have owner field. Whoever is owner of master record, he will be owner of child record. If master record deleted, corresponding child record deleted. Only deleted master record will be displayed in recycle bin. When we undelete master record, corresponding child records are also undeleted. An object can be master of any number of objects. We can create two master detail relationship fields. Child object can be parent of any other object up to 3 level. If an object has two parents on it, it cannot be parent to any other object. In one-to-many relationship, on many side of relation, we create master detail relationship. Steps to create master detail relationship: setup, build, create, objects, choose object, field relationship, then click new. Step 1, select a relationship type, that is master detail relationship. Step 2, select a related to object. Step 3, enter the label and name for the lookup field. Step 4, establish field level security for reference field. Step 5, add reference field to page layouts. Step 6, click Save button. Example: let's create master detail relationship on two custom objects, that is company underscore underscore C. This is one custom object and this is going to be master or parent. Employee underscore underscore C, this is also custom object and this is going to be detail or child object. On employee, we have to create master detail relationship on this object. If deleting company, then automatically employee is also deleted. This makes sense. Means if company is getting deleted, employee is also getting deleted automatically. Thank you. So coming back to our practical session, first we have to log in. Here I am going to take company object and employee object. But I have to create company object because there is no company object and employee is there, what we had already created in our previous session. So for creating the custom object, first we need to click on setup, build, create objects. Here employee is there already. We have to create company object, new custom object, providing company name, company, companies. I am taking it this default company name as it is. Data type, that is already it's selected text, and I am going with default one. Allow reports, yes. Allow activities, yes. Track field history, yes. And deployed is checked, okay. Allow search, click on save button. So we had created our company underscore C is coming, and here we had to add in our tab panel. So for adding in tab panel, I have to click on tabs, click on new, choose company, choose any style, click on next, make it as default on, next, including for the application employee management system, EMS, click on save button. So we had successfully created company custom object, and in our example on employee object we have to create master detail relationship. So for creating master detail relationship on employee object, we need to click on setup, build, create objects, choose the object employee, on employee we need to click custom fields and relationship, click on new button, choose the data type master detail relationship. See here what Salesforce is provided over here. Creates a special type of parent-child relationship between this object, child or detail, and another object, parent or master, where the relationship field is required on all detail records. The ownership and sharing of a detail record are determined by the master record. When a user deletes the master record, all detail records are deleted. In our case, employee is child object and company is master object. You can create roll-up summary field on master record to summarize the detail records. The relationship field allows user to click on a lookup icon to select a value from a pop-up list. The master object is the source of the values in the list. So checking this radio button master detail relationship and clicking on next button. Related to which object, that is company. Click on next. This company is master record and this employee is child record. Don't get confused. Company is first and employee is second. If company is there, then employee is going to work over there. Company, I am taking the field name as company itself. Child relationship is name is employee. See, company is master and employee is child. Click on next. Click on next. Both the objects should be custom object. If I am going with standard object, it can't be created. Click on next. And one more thing, it's needed company and employee. In this object, there is no data at all. Click on save button. So company is master and on object employee we had created this relationship. So for this what we need to do, we have to click on company, see what's going on. On the company there is only one field, that is company name. By default it's coming, and I am providing a company name like TCS and one more company Wipro. Clicking on save button and again going to with employees, clicking on new. See, employee name is coming, means employee name I am providing here, Aman, and providing the phone number 123 like this only. And this master detail relationship is mandatory. If I am clicking on save button, then this record is not going to be saved because this is mandatory. Means until I am not providing the company name, this record is not going to be saved. It's throwing one error message. You must enter a value. So clicking on this icon, lookup icon, company, just now we had created TCS and Wipro. I am choosing with TCS and clicking on save button. So now it's getting created. Now what I am going to do, this TCS company is there. I am going with companies, and here in this company there is Aman, what we had created just now in employee. So what I am going to do, this TCS I am going to delete. If I am deleting this TCS record, the employee who is associated with this company TCS, means Aman is associated with this one, that Aman is also getting deleted. Clicking on delete button. Okay, this is deleted. Again go to employee. One employee I had created. Just go with all. See, there is no employee at all. If I am going with recycle bin and looking for Aman record employee, there I am not getting Aman record. There I will get TCS company only. And if I am restoring this TCS company, then automatically this employee is also coming over there. If I am clicking on undelete button, means in the company both the company name is coming like TCS and Wipro, and employee Aman is also coming. See, Aman is also coming. So one thing more, let's check what is going to be happen. So if I am doing like this, if I am going with account record and creating master detail relationship on accounts and making this company as a master and account as a child, see it is possible or not. So for that, I am going to click on setup button, click on customize, click on accounts. In accounts, click on fields. In accounts, custom fields and relationship, click on new. Here I can't create master detail relationship because on standard objects it's not possible. It is not giving the probability to create master detail relationship on account or standard object. Thank you.